In a landmark ruling that sets the stage for a potentially monumental legal showdown, a Colorado court has declared former President Donald Trump ineligible for the 2024 presidential ballot, citing his alleged engagement in insurrection as the basis for disqualification. This historic decision marks the first judicial verdict to challenge Trump's eligibility to hold office again, following the tumultuous events surrounding the January 6th Capitol breach of 2021. The ruling has reverberated through the political landscape, casting uncertainty over the upcoming presidential race and Trump's future political ambitions. The potentially far-reaching implications of this verdict are poised to shift the dynamics of the 2024 election and have raised a myriad of constitutional questions that the U.S. Supreme Court may soon grapple with. At the heart of the Colorado court's decision is an interpretation of the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, specifically Section 3, which was originally crafted during the aftermath of the Civil War to prevent individuals who have engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the United States from holding public office. The controversial ruling hinges on the court's view that Trump's actions, rhetoric, and involvement related to the January 6th events constitute engagement in an insurrection. The implications of this decision are profound and controversial. Among supporters of the former president, the decision is viewed as an unprecedented and partisan attack on Trump's political career and the will of the voters who would support him. Critics of Trump, on the other hand, see this as a legal affirmation of what they believe to be undeniable evidence of Trump's actions, undermining the integrity of the electoral process and the peaceful transition of power. The ruling's broader relevance today cannot be overstated. It strikes at the core of American democracy, raising essential questions about accountability, the rule of law, and the limits of political power. Given Trump's outsized influence on the Republican Party and his significant base of loyal supporters, the Colorado court's decision is not just a legal issue, but a pivotal moment in the unfolding narrative of American political life. The decision also sets a precedent for how courts across the country may address similar claims or legal challenges regarding eligibility for public office in light of the 14th Amendment. With the legal battle poised to escalate to the highest court of the land, the U.S. Supreme Court will likely face intense public and political scrutiny as it interprets the constitutional provisions at issue. Legal experts anticipate a vigorous legal defense from Trump's team, and the eventual Supreme Court ruling would not only affect Trump's political trajectory, but also may clarify the scope and application of constitutional disqualification clauses for generations to come. This ruling has thrust the U.S. into a period of constitutional introspection, with the robustness of its democratic institutions once again under examination. As the nation watches carefully, the trajectory of this high-profile case could fundamentally alter the course of American politics and the contours of presidential qualifications for the foreseeable future.